Alright, we're recording the sewer line at 8303 22nd Avenue Northwest. The date is July 29th, 2020. Recording this from the sewer cleanout recently installed on the north side of the home by Bob Oates Plumbing. What we're looking at right now is the Seattle City main out running up and down 22nd Avenue Northwest. I'm going to pull back from this and get a look at the line. This first section of line is shared between 8303 and the home directly to the north. So this is a shared 6-inch concrete sewer line. We're going to pull back from this main line and get a look. So we go from clay, the main is clay, the tap is clay, and it's slightly offset there. You can see the pipe is shifted a bit. Coming back into 6-inch concrete pipe like we just talked about. Another minor offset there. They're contributing to one another. So we're out under the road right now and coming back towards the house. So again, this is all 6-inch concrete shared sewer line. A little bit of sewage bunching up there. That's just from how aggregate the bottom of the pipe is. So we did not involve the neighbor in this project. But this is where the neighbor ties in. So on the left side of your screen right there, top side of your screen, the left side of the pipe, is the neighbor's tie into the pipe. So we're going from 6-inch and coming back into 4-inch now. We're going to come into our liner right there. So within a foot of the neighboring pipe, just as the proposal lined out, came within a foot of where that neighbor ties in. And coming back now through that 4-inch new flow pipe liner. A couple of small minor lumps in it. They're very small, but should not cause any issue whatsoever. But back into our plastic repair, we were forced to dig this section up as the liner had an issue. But this is where the downspout from the northeast side of the home ties into the pipe. That top part of the screen, that's where that line ties in. And we're back into our new flow liner again. Different color new flow liner. Same strength, same warranty. Just different curing process. So back through this section of liner we installed, and then up out of the cleanout. So there is the liner connection to where our cleanout is here. Coming back up out of the cleanout. And there's our cleanout today. I had a hose running down it to wash out some stuff, but there's our cleanout, and the video there.